Are you struggling to grow on YouTube? Perhaps you are making one of these mistakes, if not all. So today we are going to be going over some of the major mistakes some of us upcoming YouTube creators make while starting up. Being able to identify these mistakes and correcting them will help you in your YouTube growth. Hello and welcome back. I'm Angela, the face behind this channel, and I'm always excited to keep you all inspired. So today we are going to be going over some of the top mistakes most creators make when they are just starting out. So number one is most creators just have that mindset of wanting to go viral from the onset. But going viral on any social media platform is not something that we can predict. So instead of focusing on creating value, we tend to focus on what will make us go viral. So the thing is, when you focus on content that creates value, from there you are going to build loyal audience that will keep coming back to your videos, to your channel, because they know that they are going to get something from you. But when you are focusing on going viral, you might be missing the point. Okay, so don't focus on going viral, rather focus on creating value, and the right audience will find you, and from there, who knows, maybe you might go viral after all. So the second thing that I want to add is not optimizing your thumbnails or description. Okay, so if you are starting out, it's very important that you always optimize your thumbnails, your description, and tweak things. Always change your description, try different strategy, try different write-ups, try different colors until you find out what is working for you. And in order for you to also optimize your description, your thumbnails, and your channel, even your channel banner overall, you have to also be checking your YouTube analytics, okay, where you find all the data to see which video is working, which topics is working for you. So that way you can be able to optimize your videos, your channel, and everything that you require to grow on YouTube. So you have to make sure that you are optimizing all these things, because it will help you grow faster. Then the third thing I have on my list is inconsistent posting. So if you are a new creator, especially if you are just starting up, you cannot afford to be posting randomly. Okay, you have to be consistent with your posting schedule. You cannot afford to post only once a month or twice a month, because if you are starting up, if you are new on the YouTube channel, on the YouTube streets, you need to put out enough content out there for YouTube to be able to find your audience, to understand what your channel is all about. But the lesser you post, the slower your growth will be. Okay, so I know that most of us, we are busy, right? But you need to create a schedule that works for you. At least if it's once a week that you want to be posting, make sure you are creating quality videos and valuable videos for that once a week, and then you stick to a particular day of the week and time. So this will help the YouTube algorithm build a relationship with your type of content. Okay, so that's very important. Posting randomly and not being consistent in your posting will not help your YouTube growth. So another mistake that we tend to make is focusing too much on the equipment. The truth is, you don't really need any expensive equipment to start creating good videos. If you already have a smartphone, that is enough for you to start creating good content. Just make sure the video is clear and your sound is clear as well. So from there, if you decide to invest in other equipment, that's good, but don't put too much attention on the equipment as if it is the equipment that is going to do the work. So it is really about what you are putting out there and how it is benefiting the person that is going to watch that video. Okay, so If you are, if what I'm saying here is resonating with you in any way and you find value in what I'm sharing, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Support me so that we can grow together. Thank you. So another mistake that new creators make is they are so fast to quit. Once they are not seeing the desired results, few months in, they are already discouraged and they are already quitting. The truth is, YouTube is not a, it's not a 1 day thing, it's not a 1 month thing, it's not a 1 year thing. So it's something that you have to be dedicated to and be determined to grow. Okay, it's a long-term thing, because let's assume even if you hit your 1,000 subscribers and you are monetized, right? If you don't keep posting, you don't keep showing up, even the monetization, you won't enjoy it. So this is a long-term thing. So quitting too soon is a very huge mistake, because you don't know what will happen 3 months from that time you decide to quit. One single video could turn things around for you and you have a different story to tell. So quitting too soon is not an option if you are determined to success as a creator on YouTube. So another massive mistakes new creators tend to make is comparing themselves with other creators. That's the biggest mistake that you can ever make, because why would you be comparing yourself to another creator, especially those that have been there in the game before you? Sometimes you see a channel getting these massive boost, engagement, views and all of that, but sometimes you don't know when they started that channel. Maybe that channel is 5 years old, and then you are just blinded by the current results that you are seeing. Fact is, every creator goes through almost the same challenge. Every creator goes through this. We go through the challenges of having no views, having low engagement, having no subscribers. Everybody goes through that. So the ability to handle it properly and stay consistent and be optimistic regardless, it's what's going to take you to where you want to be as a creator on YouTube. So comparing yourself to other channels, to other creators that you don't know what's going on behind the screen, is a very huge mistake. So what you can do, instead of comparing yourself to all these top creators, learn from them instead. Whenever you come across a video that you feel that, okay, they are sharing something that is really useful, don't just listen and pass by. Take your notes and try and implement in your journey. Try and implement it on your own channel. So this will help you grow. And as a matter of fact, this tip I'm telling you now, I do it myself, because when I started my channel, I don't know everything about YouTube. So I have to learn from other creators. So instead of comparing myself or my growth to other creators who have been there before me, or even the ones that came after me, because you can start your channel today and someone start their own next month, and it seems like they are doing better than you because they have more subscribers, more views and all that. So you have to understand that everybody's journey is different. So you have to stay focused and set realistic goals for yourself as a creator. So you can break it down. You know that you need 1,000 subscribers to get to where you want to be. You need 4,000 watch hours. You can do the math. If I want to be monetized in 6 months, how many watch hours should I be generating weekly or monthly to get there? Or if it's 1 year that you are giving yourself to hit that milestone, you can actually break it down and then do your best to meet up with those goals. And if it doesn't work out exactly the way you planned it, no problem. What matters is you keep going and you try and avoid these mistakes that we listed here today. Okay, stay away from inconsistent posting, and pay attention to optimization. Optimize your descriptions, your thumbnails, your titles. Tweak it, and see what is working and what is resonating with your audience. And another big mistake that you should not be making is not responding to comments. Okay, you have to keep the engagement going. You have to learn to respond to comments. Also comment on other people's posts, and they might in turn return the favor to your videos. So this is how it works. So of course there are a lot of other mistakes that new creators tend to make, but for now this is what is coming to my mind. So I hope you are gleaning something from this video. If you learned something from this video today, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and I'll be very happy to upload more videos like this that will, inspire you, encourage you, and motivate you to keep up with your YouTube journey. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.